You know we did something funky today. I'm excited. Oh shit. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. I'm actually really tired, but I really wanted to get this video out because I did miss my deadline yesterday and that got me tight. But I was really like tired. I do have on a like shoulderless, I guess, thing. So I won't look naked. I'ma just roll it back. I'ma just roll it back a little bit. But I wanted to kind of like not really wear too much because actually today in New York, like as I said, it's 65 degrees. It was just 40 the other day. It's so crazy how New York works, but whatever, we gonna get through it. So today's look, I am going to be doing something like this. I don't know if you guys can see it. I did ask my friend, like, you know, what look should I do because I need to get more colorful in this bitch, and she said for me to do that. So I'm gonna try and do that. I did work out today, so I'm a little tired, to be completely honest with you. I'm like really exhausted, but I want to get this video out to you guys, and I really want to do this because I think it's super cute. I pretty much did my brows because I've done my brows way too many times on camera for you not to know what I do on camera. So I'm gonna just use my Makeup by Yolanda primer, which you guys know I literally love this primer so much. This one is in the color foundation, and I'm guessing because it's literally like the base, a base color. And I'm using a lighter color today, one because the colors that I'm putting on are a little bit lighter than normal, and I wanted to pop out a little bit more. So for time's sake, I may do one eye, and then so now the palette that I'm going to be using is actually the Nudes by Juvia's Place. These are one of my favorite palettes, and the reason being is because it has about 5 of them, but this is how they typically look. And I'm only going to be using kind of the brownish colors, just because this look doesn't really have it's not really a heavy smoky or a heavy anything. So I'm just using this light brown here, which is almost like a court color. It's like a cool brown. I really love it. It's really pretty. So I'm going to use that. So the only thing different that I'm probably honestly not going to do is the simple fact of her having that white liner. I can't find my white liner. I don't know where it is. I probably should have brought it home from my studio, but I don't have that white liner, so I'm just gonna have to probably compromise and try to see if I can find something that works. Long, y'all. Okay, so I'm using the other chocolates palette, the chocolate one. I'm using another brush, by the way. I haven't did color looks in so long, and that used to be my thing. I don't know, like as makeup artists, as we stopped doing color looks, but I swear I used to fiend for a good color look because that is what stood out back in the day, you know. So I love me a good color, and I feel like I want to get back to it because we normally just do like these nude colors, and it's pretty too, don't get me wrong, but I feel like the color is what really stands out, and I need to get back to it. Even on my clients, I do neutral kind of looks, like that's my thing, and my clients be like, girl, we know you can do this, like that's why we started coming to you. And I'm just looking at them like, girl, you know how long this shit takes? Like this shit takes like 2 hours to do. And I move pretty quick with makeup because I just know the tips and the techniques and how to do certain things. But I get what they're saying. Like, you know, like you want to, when you do your makeup, you want to look different than what you came in, you know. So I kind of get it. I kind of get where they're coming from. So for my girls, I'm getting slowly back into it. But I really wanted to do it on YouTube. Like, I really want YouTube to be... I've always wanted to be a YouTuber, so I am manifesting that. It is something that I love to do. I quit my job, so this is just a little chit chat. I quit my job to be a full-time entrepreneur. You know how I say that? Entrepreneur. Because it was just something that I really wanted to do. Like, I didn't want to work for anybody else. I see myself in 2022 being this bomb content creator that all the girls love, and it's so possible. It is so possible. So I know that I can do anything. I just have to be consistent with it, and I'm learning to be consistent now, because people want to see if you do this often. People want to see, you know, if you stay on top of your shit. People want to see all of this other good stuff. They don't want to fall in love with somebody and then all of a sudden it's like they're not consistent anymore. And I should know that, because during, like, I'm a nutritionist, so during training and all this other stuff, and I work with trainers, and they're like, you have to be consistent if you want the results, right? So I'm like, all right, it fucking makes sense. But sometimes I be tired, like, you know, I be tired. So I don't know, I need to get out of that whole mindset of, yeah, you want it, but you're not working for it. Like, you're just sitting there. I'm looking at this photo because I want to make sure I'm getting it right. Of just sitting there and not doing anything. Like, no, the money ain't gonna come to you. This life is not gonna just magically come to you. You have to actually work for it. So I'm trying to get in there, you know. I'm just taking a lighter color and buffing that up there, because I want to make sure that that is nice and clean. And I got into makeup a long time ago, 11 years ago, so everything is so different now. But I need to, you know, get it together. So this is a good one. I got these little brushes from Amazon. I think for Halloween I was like really excited to do painting and never did it. So now I just have all of these little brushes, which is good for cut creases. So cut it. Hopefully you guys can see in this lighting, because I'm about to adjust this lighting right now. Back in the nudes palette, and I'm going to be taking this nice champagne color here. See it? It's like this. Don't mind me, I need to get my nails done real bad, but I'm gonna get it done by the weekend. I just been really busy and I just don't have time to do anything, so I will get my nails done. But I'm gonna take this nice champagne color, and this is gonna be my lid color, so I'm gonna place that over where the crease, with the cut crease, that color. Skin tones, so she has this champagne color, so all I'm gonna do is kind of like buff it out a little bit. So what I did was just take my primer and then I just created like a fake wing liner, because I'm gonna put the red on top. But the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my liner brush, which is like this small little brush from, I have this one which is pointed, is my Morphe one, but I've been using that to kind of clean up the areas. But to be honest, I may just use it because it's really small and it's so tiny. So we're gonna do, I'm using this paint acrylic that I got for Halloween. See how small this brush is? Oh my gosh. So I'm just going to take it, because she only does it half. Okay, so let me focus. camera actually died, so I did do one eye, and then let me just adjust the lighting or whatever. So I did do one eye already, so I'm gonna do the other. So basically what I did was prime my eye here with my Jesus, I hate that my camera like died because I was in the groove and then it just freaking died. That just got me so upset. But I used that my little primer to create like a liner, and what I am gonna use is my Morphe which one is this, the 12P palette. This is such an old palette. This palette came out when, like, I don't know, I can explain it. It had to be at least 8 years ago it came out. That's how long ago this palette came out. This was when artists was like really being on some artistry. So this came out a long time ago. So I'm gonna use this just to create that red wing liner. Alright, so I just popped my lashes on real quick. So far, this is how the look is looking. Really, really cute. So now I'm going to do my face. I'm hoping that my tan, so as you guys know, I've been using the Milani foundation because I had a tan. So now I'm hoping to be able to use my Juvia's Place foundation. I did prime my face already, so that's okay. I do have my sponge here, so I am going to be using my sponge because I want it to be full coverage. Okay, so it is a little bit, I think I did lighten up a little. So I'm using my same concealer that I always use. Now my concealer, I do happen to use a brush because I feel like the Beauty Blender doesn't get what I need it to get. So I do use a brush for that. And I am going to be highlighting a little bit lighter on my under eye. But I want it to be like, whew. So, yeah, so I'm going to blend this out real quick. So what I'm doing now is just using my setting powder, which is my Sacha Buttercup. And we're going to press underneath here because it has to be like full on red. But we're gonna use a Black Radiance one. We're gonna bring it back to the Black Radiance one. I will say, oh, you know, I want to go makeup shopping and I don't even need to. So okay, it's giving. MAC NW45 powder. And if you hear me throwing things around, it's just because everything is everywhere, and whenever you do your makeup you just tend to throw things everywhere, and I really be trying not to. I be trying to like be neater. I'm going with my Morphe palette, and I'm just gonna use a little blush here. I'm not gonna highlight. I'm leaving it matte today, but I am gonna use a little blush. My skin is really super matte right now. to go on to the lip. So the lip that I'm gonna do, she has on a red lip. I'm gonna do my lip because I just like my lip. So of course I'm using the brown lip liner. And I'm gonna use the Nasty Nude lip gloss. I think it's pretty. It's definitely something different. I did put some bamboo in because she had bamboos in, but she had like a bun, and I have a closure on, so we're not doing that. But I think it's really cute. Like, it's definitely very, very different than what I'm used to. It is not something that I would do on a daily videos every single week. Even though I missed Monday, I'm a little tight about that, but I had a lot of stuff going on this weekend. So I said I was not missing a video this week. So hopefully this video, if you're seeing this video, it is Friday. We're gonna hope. If you're seeing this video, it is Friday. So I'm really excited. I like this look. Even the bottom lashes, I'm not gonna hold you. It's actually really, really cute. I'm gonna take my pictures because I definitely think a picture is needed, and I'm gonna post them and show you how they look. Of course we have to do like a couple of boomerangs, you know. Like, I like using Z Vibes on Instagram as, like, you know, that little boomerang. But yeah, so this is the final look, and I hope you guys like it. So I can't wait for you guys to see the video, and let's go take some pictures. All right, see you guys later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys.